Hey, what's up? This is Tech Brothers. Today we are going to talk about cheapest iPhone X clone called Blackview A30. You can say that today every second device is iPhone X clone, but Blackview company specifically compares its new phone with Apple flagship. Is $70 Android smartphone really as good as 1000 device from Apple? Let's find out. Blackview A30 really looks like iPhone X. There is a notch above the display and dual vertical camera on the back. The dimensions are almost the same. However, Blackview device has much thicker bezels on bottom. Also, the back panel of iPhone X is made of glass, while Blackview A30 has plastic rear panel. New budget phone has micro USB port and 3.5mm audio jack. If we talk about display, then Blackview A30 is equipped with 5.5-inch diagonal HD Plus resolution 1132 by 540 pixels and 19 by 9 aspect ratio. Also, the manufacturer says about 550 maximum brightness. So the smartphone has pretty good display for its price of about $70. As you understand, this is our budget phone, so it has entry-level hardware. Blackview A30 is powered by MediaTek MT6588 chipset, 2GB of RAM and 16GB of storage. You can use microSD memory cards up to 32GB. The phone should be about 35,000 points in Antutu, which is enough for everyday tasks. However, you cannot play latest Android games. Blackview A30 supports dual SIM card and it runs on latest Android 8.1 Oreo operating system. The smartphone also has face unlock function, but it uses front camera instead of special 3D face scanner as iPhone X. Talking about cameras, there is 8MP rear and 5MP front. The smartphone has Face Beauty mode for smooth and more natural selfies. The manufacturer already published sample photos and they look very good. Blackview A30 is equipped with only 2500 mAh battery. It is very small for 2018, but the smartphone has pretty weak hardware and HD Plus display, so the battery life should be about 1 working day. There is no fast charging technology, so the full battery charge will take about 2 hours. Let's talk about price. Right now you can buy Blackview A30 for about $70, but from August 1st the price will grow by $2 every day. The first deliveries will begin from August 15th. So for only $70 you can get Android phone with very similar design to iPhone X. Perhaps you can even fool your friends that you can have Apple flagship. In general, Blackview A30 has pretty good hardware and cameras for its price. The battery is only 2500 mAh, but it will be able to work 1 day on single charge. Thanks for watching. In the description under this video you can find link where to buy Blackview A30 cheaper. Thumbs up and subscribe to our channel Tech Brothers.